सच्चिदानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. Today, the great Mahara Shankaranti, we worship Shiva Surya, the right eye of Paramashiva, which is enlightening all of us in multiple ways. So we give our gratitude, worship, reverence, respect, devotion to the right eye of Paramashiva, Shiva Surya. Like Surya is the life for planet Earth. Knowledge is the life of Kailasa. Understand? Powerful cognitions established on truth is called knowledge. Methodology of, listen carefully, powerful cognitions established on truth is jnana. Making those powerful cognitions as reality of our life is vijnana. Powerful cognitions established on truth is jnana. Making that jnana established in our life is vijnana. Making those powerful cognitions established on our life is vijnana. On this auspicious day, worshipping Shiva Surya, Paramashiva gives the blessings of Mahara Sankaranti, the great Pongal festival, for every one of you. Let this Pongal, Mahara Sankaranti, be auspicious, blissful, great, right, spiritual beginning for all the beings. உலகெங்கும் உள்ள எல்லா அன்பர்களுக்கும் தைத்திருநாளான பொங்கல் திருநாளில் பரமசிவன் வலக்கண்ணான சிவசூரியனின் பேரருள் பொங்கி எல்லோரும் எல்லா வளத்துடனும் நித்யானந்தத்துடனும் நிறைந்து வாழ ஆசீர்வதிக்கின்றேன். Today I have a unique book to introduce. Usually, all of you may be aware, very rarely I introduce any book. Today I wanted to introduce this book, Energy Science in Vedas, written by Dr. Ramanesh Kumar Maneria and Vedapriya, and published by Parimal Publications. I wanted to sincerely recommend and promote this book. Please, all of you, buy and read. The link will not be available for free download. You have to buy and read because it is copyrighted by that publication. Respect the copyright. Buy and read. Be integrated to the copyright. I strongly recommend all of you, all my disciples who are interested in Vedic tradition, to read this book. They have done a wonderful job collecting various Shastra Pramanas and connecting them with the modern day Pratyaksha Pramana and showing how the Pratyaksha Pramana science is growing towards the most scientific science, Vedic science. The most scientific science, Vedas, knowledge of Paramashiva. The modern day science, Pratyaksha Pramana, is moving towards Vedagamas, the knowledge of Paramashiva. The book beautifully describes, and they have really done a huge work, research work. I'm enjoying the book. Everyone who enjoys my thought currents and my ideas, you will enjoy this book very much. Please buy and read. It's available in internet. I'll expand on Kailasa and my vision for Kailasa. Kailasa is the space where human beings literally become divine beings. The Shivatva, Parama Shivatva. Understand? You literally have to become your original self. That Parama Shiva, ultimate. You literally have to reach the purpose of your existence, enlightenment. Those enlightened beings living together with extreme bliss and power manifestation is Kailasa. Understand? It is an enlightenment ecosystem. Kailasa is the enlightenment ecosystem. It is not just a temple or a monastery or a adinam, not even a nation. It is an enlightenment ecosystem. It may be mapped on a temple, monastery, adinam, a nation. It may be mapped on planet Earth, but Kailasa itself is an enlightenment ecosystem. Thousands and thousands radiating enlightenment. Millions and millions manifesting powers living together all over the world happily, blissfully, peacefully, powerfully. Understand? I have started initiating people into this life from 2000. Thousands came, thousands are staying with me. By the grace of Paramashiva, enlightenment ecosystem is now created. It is successfully created. Now, anyone comes will start manifesting it, will start living it. The ecosystem is ready. At various levels, when I was teaching about the state of Paramashiva, people came. They are able to take only that much. They stayed. When I started moving to the space, some stayed back who are able to withstand the next level journey. Some who could not stand and be with me for the next level journey dropped out. Then from the space, I moved to the powers. Whoever could stand and come with me, that ferocious beings came along with me, could not, dropped out. But now the whole enlightenment ecosystem is ready. Paramashiva has made the ecosystem ready. Now, anybody comes, they will all have the benefit, be inspired, strongly, energetically, initiated, integrated inspired, and given the state, space, powers, being, and superconsciousness of Paramashiva, we are using every available possibilities, methodologies, including the modern day technology, everything to reach out to human beings all over the world. Just few days before I announced, just few days before, to all the living beings, please be alive. For next 3 years, I will somehow reach you. I will bring the enlightenment to you. And I want to tell you once more, surely, within next 3 years, wherever you are, to every being, Paramashiva will reach out, making the enlightenment as simple as your morning breakfast. Of course, you will be given the freedom to say yes or no. No one's freedom will be interfered, but it will be catered as simple as your breakfast. Much more easier, simpler than your breakfast. Anyhow, I want to tell you guys, the ecosystem for enlightenment is ready. I will continue to share the methodology of achieving the state of Paramashiva, space of Paramashiva, powers of Paramashiva, being of Paramashiva, and superconsciousness of Paramashiva. And I will continue to be initiating all of you just through digital platform. Understand? An incarnation as a freedom and right to decide the methodology through which he will reach out and initiate people. I am reaching out to all of you through the digital platform. I'm going to use every possible way. Kailasa website is not just a website, it is literally digital nation, where Paramashiva is going to reach out to all of you. Kailasa website is the digital nation through which Paramashiva will be reaching out to all of you. I am making all teachings, initiations, inspiration capsules, oneness capsules, everything available through Kailasa, the digital nation. And I am going to make it even simple, including Krama Brahmacharya for the Gurukul, Krama Brahmacharya for the monastic members. I am going to make it available online. Kids can do like a homeschooling, home Gurukuling. You can stay with your parents and do the home Gurukuling. Have Krama Brahmacharya, have the power manifestation signs. We will send Jnananjana, Aushada, other things needed through postal. It will reach you through postal, making everything online. Initiations, oneness capsules, presence, everything is now made available through online to all of you. Paramashiva is available through online, almost live 24/7 to all of you. And I am also making the Punya Kailasa currency available to all of you. Whoever volunteers to build the digital nation, kailasa.org, gets Punya And using that punya, you get to experience Kailasa physically. You get physical darshans, pada pujas, any other boons, whatever you want. You can use the punya, just like how you have punya on the planet Earth and reach Kailasa and enjoy Paramashiva's Samibhya and Sannitya by volunteering to build the digital nation Kailasa. You earn punya, come and be near Paramashiva's space in Samibhya, physical nearness, and enjoy the joy and bliss, Kailasa Ananda, Sannitya Ananda, and Sayujya Ananda, Samibhya Ananda, Sarubhya Ananda. Every powerful cognition you manifest, you raise your frequency. Understand? If powerful cognitions are the source of your energy and excitement, you raise your frequency. When I say powerful cognition, if you decide to tell yourself, cognize yourself, I am Paramashiva, that is most powerful cognition. If you decide to tell yourself, I am sick and whatever you wanted to say, low inner image, then that becomes powerless cognition. The way you hold you, world, others, everyone within you is cognition. Every powerful cognition you go through, you experience, you decide to consciously manifest. You raise your existence, the quality of your existence. I tell you, the doors of the Kailasa is opening for all of you to live, manifest the state of Paramashiva, space of Paramashiva, powers of Paramashiva, being of Paramashiva, super consciousness of Paramashiva. The doors of Kailasa is open February 1st, March 1st, April 1st. The next Paramashivatva batches are starting. February 1st, one batch. March 1st, one batch. April 1st, one batch is starting. You can enroll yourself for any one batch to become the Kailasavasi. If you feel enlightenment is your only priority, you want to spend your valuable life in achieving the ultimate, you want to be out, escape from the food conspiracy done against you. Understand? You have been poisoned. So much of toxins have been injected, and all the food allergy, the chemicals which creates food allergy in you are part of the vaccinations. You want me to say it is a coincidence? Go and study in the internet. All food allergy and autism, chemicals related to toxins related to them, are part of the vaccines. Save yourself from the great conspiracy of food poisoning. Come to Kailasa to live, eat as Paramashiva wants. Auspicious moment. The Pongal is overflowing. Paramashiva's grace and Shiva Surya's blessings Let's offer this to Paramashiva. I think Paramashiva is giving a very beautiful positive signal that you should all save yourself from the food poisoning. We should all save ourselves from the food poisoning and toxins being dumped on us. We are all made to live in a place where food is not available. We should get the real food. Pongal is the real food, the organic food, as Paramashiva wanted. Let's offer it to Shiva Surya, right eye of the Paramashiva, Paramashiva himself. If you want to save yourself from all the toxins and live the best life as per the vision of the Paramashiva, food or thought currents, ideas, beautiful community around you, come to Kailasa. Let's create this powerful, enlightened civilization all over the world. Let's wake up as Paramashiva wanted, eat as Paramashiva wanted, drink as Paramashiva envisioned, meditate as Paramashiva envisioned, think as Paramashiva envisioned, live as Paramashiva envisioned, manifest powers as Paramashiva envisioned, live literally as Paramashiva. In every level, enjoy this lifestyle. So I welcome all of you to be part of the Kailasa. Email immediately kailasavasi.kailasa.org and enroll yourself. Sign up for Paramashivatva and to become Kailasavasi in any part of the world. We are making Kailasas all over the world. You can be part of any Kailasa, but first you need to have the training, initiation that has to happen in Adi Kailasa. So, February 1st, March 1st, April 1st, the Paramashivatva batches are starting. Paramashivatva program is starting. It's a 21-day program. Everyone who wants to be part of the Kailasa is recommended to come and attend this program. After the program, we will decide in which Kailas you will be posted. It will be based on availability of the place and various other reasons, how you are able to settle down and everything. Of course, the local laws, visa, all those. Considering all of that, you will be placed in various country, various nation Kailasas. And anybody wants to be Kailasavasi, resident of Kailasa, welcome. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhat Vaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.